Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called nomogram. A nomogram, also called as nomograph or alignment chart or ABAC, is a graphical calculating device, a two-dimensional diagram designed to allow the approximate graphical computation of a mathematical function. The field of nomography was invented in 1884 by French engineer Maurice and used extensively for many years to provide engineers with the fast graphical calculation of complicated formulas to a practical precision. Nomograms uses a parallel coordinate system invented by the scientist rather than the standard Cartesian coordinates. A nomogram consists of a set of n scale, one for each variable in an equation. Knowing the values of n minus 1 variable, the value of unknown variable can be found, or by fixing the values of some of the variable, the relationship between unfixed one can be studied. The result is obtained by laying a straight edge across the known value on the scale and reading the unknown value from where it crosses the scale for that variable. The virtual or drawn line created by a straight edge is called index line or isoplyth. Nomograms flourished in many different contexts for nearly 75 years because they allowed quick and accurate computation before the age of pocket calculators. The results from a nomogram are obtained very quickly and reliably by simply drawing one or more lines. The user does not have to know how to solve the algebraic equation or look up for data in the table or substitute numbers into equation to obtain the result. The user does not even need to know underlying equation the nomogram represents. In addition, nomogram naturally incorporate implicit or explicit domain knowledge into their design. For example, to create larger nomogram for greater accuracy, the nomographer usually includes only scale ranges that are reasonable and of interest to the problem. Many nomogram include other useful markings such as reference label and a colored region. All of this provide useful guideposts to the users. Like a slide rule, a nomogram is a graphical analog computation device. Also like a slide rule, its accuracy is limited by the precision with which physical marking can be drawn, reproduced, weaved, and aligned. Unlike a slide rule, which is a general purpose computation device, a nomogram is designed to perform a specific calculation with tables of values built into the device's scale. Nomograms are typically used in application for which level of accuracy they provide is sufficient and useful. Alternatively, a nomogram can be used to check an answer obtained by a more exact but error-prone calculation. Other types of graphical calculators such as intercept chart, trilinear diagram, and hexagonal charts are sometimes called nomograms. These devices do not meet the definition of nomogram as a graphical calculator whose solution is found by the use of one or more linear isoplyths. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you.